One thing you're going to need to know how to do is to create a folder. So I've created one here. Create a folder, the option to name it. That's how I created this folder. It's also critical that you understand how to set the permissions, because this folder is where I'm going to put all my assets, all my presentations, all my documents. Typically, these are documents that start in Word or in some other word processing application, maybe Google Docs. You can just drag them in or move them from your Google Drive. I'll show you how to upload one. One thing you need to be aware of, there are some settings in here. I prefer to have this selected, Convert Uploads. So if you select this Convert Uploads, that allows Google to change your Word documents to Google Docs and your PowerPoints into Google presentations. And these work well when integrated with Google Sites. So I've got a document I want to add in this folder. Before we do that, let's look at the sharing permissions for this folder. You can see this. Currently, Dr. Johnson and Dr. Wesner. I could add anybody else by email. Whoever's going to view your Google site, your teaching portfolio, needs to have access to this folder. So the easiest thing to do is just create a folder, add those rights, those privileges to the folder, and then anything in the folder will be visible. So I'm going to upload a file called Statement of Research. So it's uploading, it's converting it. Notice it starts as a Word file, docx extension, and it ends up being Google Doc. So as I create my site, I'm going to integrate these pages into my site.